A field trip to Shum Wan Road, Aberdeen. In this field trip, we are going to visit Shum Wan Road and Nam Long Shan Road in Aberdeen. In August 1995, a serious landslide occurred at the hillside above Shum Wan Road. The heavy rainfall caused the collapse of a 30-metre-long section of Nam Long Shan Road. About 26,000 cubic metres of soil and rock debris fell from the slope, pushing the shipyards and a factory along the seafront into the sea. The landslide killed 2 people, injured 5 others, and damaged a few factories. Refer to the map showing the site of the Shum Wan Road landslide in Unit 8.7 of the textbook, page 106. The area bounded by a red line shows the area affected by the 1995 landslide. Slumping first occurred near the passing bay along Nam Long Shan Road. The slope below the road then failed, with debris pushing the coastal structures at Po Chong Wan to the sea. You can first visit Shum Wan Road following the steps of the field trip shown on the textbook. Identify on the site the section of the road that was buried by the 1995 landslide, and then estimate its length by pacing on the site. On average, you may take a few hundred steps to walk across this section of road. This shows how severe the damage of the landslide was. What is the present land use of the old damaged shipyards? They're still used for shipyards and factories at present. Despite the occurrence of the serious landslide, most shipyards and factories have remained here. As this coastal area has long been a site for ship and boat repairing, a cluster of ship repairing factories is formed. We're going to move on to the passing bay along the Nam Long Shan Road. That is, place A as shown on the map. You can refer to the map in the textbook and draw the cross-section along A to B. Based on actual observation, label on the cross-section all the man-made structures, such as road, buildings, retaining walls, etc. According to the scale of the map, find the vertical exaggeration of the cross-section and the gradient of the collapsed slope along A to B. In order to evaluate the causes of this landslide, the information from the cross-section and other factors such as rainfall, gradient, rock characteristics, human factors can be considered. After the hazard, the government has fixed the collapsed slope. It has also carried out a number of measures to maintain the slope in order to increase its stability. Besides building retaining walls, measures also include the construction of surface and subsurface drainage channels and covering the slope with impermeable layers. They help drain away excess water and reduce the speed of water flow and its erosive power. In addition, grasses and shrubs are grown on slopes. As plant roots can hold the soil, they help strengthen the slopes and prevent soil erosion. Can you suggest any other measures that can help strengthen the slopes?